Guys, I wish you had smell-o-vision. There is a skunk somewhere. Holy cow, it stinks. Whew, that's strong. Hope he doesn't come up to visit. I don't know if you guys can hear this or not. And I don't know if you can see it on the water. But it's actually sleeting. This weather is just ridiculous, I'm telling you. Makes it extremely hard to fish. So guys, I was throwing finesse jig a while ago. Threw it for about an hour, a little over an hour. Didn't have a single bite on it. Tried working it really slow. Tried pumping it, see if I can get a reaction bite or something. They weren't touching it. Now I went down to black spinnerbait, big Colorado blade on it. Get that little extra thump when I'm slow rolling it. I've got a little bit of breeze. As you guys can probably see on the water, there's a little bit of breeze coming through. But just trying to get something going here. It's been extremely tough today. think temperatures right now are, I think we're at about the high 30s right now. It's pretty cold. You can actually see I've got my glove on. I had one on over here, but these are a new set of gloves I've been trying out. I fished with them last weekend at the tournament, and they keep your hands extremely warm. They were completely soaking wet all day long. As soon as I took them off, my hands were freezing. Put them back on, even soaking wet, they kept your hands warm. They really keep the heat in. They're neoprene. They work really good. The only thing I don't like, I'll show you on this other side, and this is the reason I've got it off right now, is when you take your finger, it's got a little Velcro strip right here. You know, if you guys see that, a little Velcro strip kind of puts it back. Your finger comes out here just like this one. But the problem is this part here constantly hits your top of your reel when you're reeling, and it catches this every time. Just a constant knocking on your reel there, and it's kind of aggravating. So I went ahead and just took it off. I'll just have to let my hand get a little cold to catch some fish. It'll warm up. It'll be all right. Sure, you guys can see the water clarity is not very good. We had a bunch of rain. Temperatures really dropped. It's pretty much a bit of a mud hole right now. Over here close to the shallows where the wind's not hitting, you can kind of tell it's got a little bit of visibility there, but I mean, as soon as you pan out here, it's like it just right out here. I mean, it stops. I mean, you're only talking 2 or 3 inches of visibility. So it's looks like chocolate milk out in the middle of it though. See if we can move down a little bit farther. I'm trying to hit this dam and come across it in a little bit deeper water. I think that's where this fish they're kind of staging up right now. Like I said, they were moving up shallow, and then this weather hit and the cold rain hit and really cooled the water back down. I think we're back down into the 40s right now with the water temps. Like I said earlier, it's only about probably mid to upper 30s outside right now. It's pretty chilly. Well guys, this is part of having a pond, letting people fish in it. Get all kinds of extra goodies. I'm sure what this is. Oh, looks like somebody lost a squarebill. And hey, you know what? I'll be honest with you. That looks like a 6-cent squarebill. Let's see if we can take it up to the house and probably clean it up, put some new hooks on it. Looks pretty good yet. Trying to see if it is, yep. Right there, guys. 6 cents. Oh, guess we'll thank somebody for that. Silent. Put this back up here. Try to keep on my line. I'll have to come back down and get it here instead of putting it in my pocket. You know, I tell most guys, you know, as far as temperature changes go, outside temperature, air temperature, really doesn't bother the fish as much. You know, a lot of times you get quite a few warm days and your water temperature is really coming up and stuff like that. Those fish will stay up shallow even when you get that little bit of a colder day, because the water temperature is not going to change much. But with this system we had to move through, it had, I don't know, probably 1.5 inches, 2 inches of rain with it. And it was cold rain, so it really dropped that water temperature. So it actually it pushed the fish back out a little bit deeper. So hopefully in the next week or so we'll get a little bit better warmer weather and really get these fish moving up and staying up there. Just have to wait and see though. All right guys, I am officially going to call it. 0 bites on the finesse jig, 0 bites on the spinnerbait. I was going to go up, tie on a Cinco or Sticko or something like that and try to fish it really slow. But guys, I'm telling you, it is cold. Like I said, it's still like mid 30s, maybe upper 30s at the most. My hands are cold. Just, you know, kind of finally got used to that little bit warmer weather. Now we're right back down into the 30s. I think they even said there was a chance of like snow flurries tonight or something. It's stupid, but anyway, so we're gonna call it good there. Hopefully at the end of this video, maybe I'll get that 6 cents cleaned up and show you guys what that came out like. Like I said, I don't know how long it's been in my pond. It's definitely gonna need some new hooks and stuff, but we'll try to clean it up, see what it looks like, and talk to you guys then.